Welcome, today I am with JBL Free X Bluetooth earphones and I will show you how you can connect them with your Android smartphone. So the first, you have to open Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, turn on by tapping on the switcher, and next you have to open charging case, but you have to remember that you have to charge them before pairing. So let's open. When indicators are blinking, it means that they are activated and we can finally remove only the right earbud. Let's make it right now. It's very important to take off only this one. And you have to hold it for a few seconds until they pops on the list. When they are not going to pop on the list, I will show you how to fix it, so don't worry, just be patient. Okay, as you can see, unfortunately it's not working, so what we have to do right now, just take off the left one to synchronize them. When you make it, you will hear the sound notification coming through the earphones. And as you can see, they finally pop on the list and we can finally click on them once to connect them. Accept pair by tapping in this place. And as you can see, we are finally connected. So right now I'm going to play music on YouTube to show you that it really works. Oh, I can take even this one. So I'm going to put them close to the microphone. So as you can hear, everything is fine. And that's how easy you can move them to your smartphone. I mean, how you can connect them to your smartphone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.